2004 Kia Kia Spectra rear bumper paint job. Alright, right now it is time for some paint. I'm using Universal Silver Metallic. The paint code on this car is 6C, which is silver metallic. This is a lacquer paint. It has so this is going to spray it on as a base coat, and I'll follow it up with the Duplicolor clear match. So here we go. See what we get. I'm just going to do a series of light coats here. Just a tack coat here. It's nice. It's going on really nice. I'm liking it. Pretty good for his first tack coat here. Just gonna hit that angle down there. Looking good. Never mind that little minor flesh wound. Right now I'm not putting the labor into pulling it. Alright. So I'll wait about wait about 10 minutes here and let her dry. Hit this right there a little bit more. There we go. Alright, so that's it right there. That's the first coat. First coat right there. Alrighty. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, shoot. It's just a tack coat, but, you know. Alrighty. I'll see you in 10.